Hi dolls, welcome back to another YouTube video. I know I've been lost, but I'm back. I'm going to give you premium content. So this is going to be a maintenance vlog. You're going to come with me as I do my hair, nails, lashes, body scrub, waxing, visting, all that good stuff for the girlies. So today I have an appointment, hair appointment at 9:30. That's where we're going to go together. See ya. I'm just a girl. I saw my friend's store and decided to pass by. So guys, Trevor has nice clothes. Like her clothes are so like elegant for like the elegant girlies. This is her brand. So unique. You should check her out on Instagram and Snapchat. But this is her face. It's so beautiful. Her face is so pretty. She has everything for every girl, like every girlie, everything. I think I should take these. I just ordered my outfit. They're packing it for me. So yeah, come check out my.
And it was time. I was done unplaiting my hair here and off to wash it, blow dry it. Here they were washing it. Like, this girl really washed it and washed it good. Like, she touched everywhere. I'm sure I left when it's so clean. So yeah, I had to wash it, blow dry it, and the process of the plaiting started. Yeah, let me leave you guys to watch, and then you'll see the final result. But the girl that did my hair was so pretty. Like, she was so pretty, she was so nice. I mean, look at her. Ooh, girl. Anyway, we were done there, and that's the final result.
Maintenance day 2, guys. So today is my maintenance day 2. Today I'm going to go to the spa. I'm going to be doing I think I'll do a facial, body wax, body scrub, and a visting. So you guys are going to come with me today. Oh, I also did my nails. I forgot to show you guys, but I'll show you. I'm supposed to do my foot scrub, I think tomorrow. I think I'll do it. I'll show you guys. I was so overwhelmed, that's why I didn't do it, but I did these. So classy. Oh. I'm still waiting for my appointment. I've come earlier. My appointment is in the next 15 minutes. So I'm going to do facial, waxing, body scrub, and visting. So let's go. I think it's time. do. This is the menu in case you come here. Like the customer care at this place is max. So I'm going to be doing this.
So I was done with the payment and it was time. I first got wax.
So I get
the lady was telling me where I should put my bag.
Okay.
And showing me to the room to get waxed and then body scrub and the facial.
Oh, this is nice. This is a pretty space. I'm getting here. The last room.
Yeah.
The lighting here is incredible, guys. Ate wanonga wasinga eri branch. This is so nice.
Then you're getting a red. You're gonna put some red.
Kale, thank you. Guys, see my waxing space. It's so nice. So pretty. It's almost time. We are changed. It's time to get the waxing done. Sweet pain. I like this new space. The lighting is so good.
Every day I will ride for you. I go there for you. I go five bands for you. My body, my body.
After all the TikToks, it was only right to go get more skincare.
Maintenance day 3. So today I'm going to get my lashes done, and you guys are going to come with me. I get my lashes from this girl. She's so good. I'll show you. Her place is so aesthetically pleasing. So let's go. Hi. So this is my lash tech, you guys. One I was telling you about. Her handle is the Lash app.
Instagram, and
Follow her everywhere. You guys should come and do your lashes from here, because I mean, she's the best in the game. She also sells perfumes. Fancy. Guys, these oud perfumes, especially this one. This is my favorite perfume of all times. You guys should come support my girl.
And just like that, we were done. I mean, look at this girl. Who is she? New lashes. Who is she? Anyway, I did a hybrid set. I did 12, 11, and 14. Yeah, I was feeling myself clearly. My lash tech has a very beautiful space, and I loved how everything came out. I mean, look at her. Who is she? Like, you couldn't tell me nothing. Anyway, I forgot to say my goodbyes. This will be the end of the vlog. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Love you guys.